Answer using correct precision. 4,700 plus 2,400 times 0.125. Okay, let's break this thing down. So 4,700 plus, let's do this math, 300. Add those together, you get 5,000. So our first step was a multiplication step. We were going to take significant digits. So this number has 5 significant digits because it had the decimal point and the limit. So all of these are significant. This one only has 3 significant digits. That first one is just a leading 0. It is not counting. It just makes the number look good instead of just putting 0.125. The minimum between 5 and 3 is going to be 3. So we're going to take 3 significant digits. So those are all the 3, where all these are significant. These 2 zeros are significant. So if I had to write this number, I would want to write it in scientific notation to tell anybody. That I need to tell them that this number is actually like this. Okay, because this right now, as it stands, it'd seem only the 3 is significant. So you'd want to write it like that. That's a side note. Now, when we add it here, we're going to do decimal places. So let's do decimal places. So this one has 1, 2. That's -2 decimal places because this is the last significant digit in this number because it wasn't written in scientific notation. So I can only assume that these zeros are non-significant. These ones, from the previous calculations, we know that the last significant digit is here. So it is at the 0th decimal place. What is the minimum between -2 and 0? Well, it's -2. So we're going to go 1, 2, -2. Ooh. So this is interesting because now these 2 are significant. So this one is significant, this one's significant, and these 2 are not significant. The only way to write that number with the correct number of significant digits is to put it into scientific notation. There is no other way to write that number and telling the person that's reading it that this 0 is significant and that this 5 is significant, but these are not. The only way to write it is in scientific notation.